Hello everyone. I am going to discuss the internet's positive and negative impact on society. So first, let us know what is the internet. It is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard Internet Protocol suite to serve billions of users worldwide. So the internet has become one of the most significant technological advancements of our time, profoundly impacting almost every aspect of our lives. Its influence has been both positive and negative. So the positive impacts of internet. First, communication. The internet has made communication faster and more efficient with email, instant messaging, and social media. People can communicate online without being in the same place or responding at the same time. Second is the knowledge. The internet has made knowledge available to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their location, background, or financial situation. Another positive impact is the business opportunities. The internet has opened vast new avenues for business, including e-commerce and online marketing, just like Shopee and Lazada. Next is the educational accessibility. The internet has made it easier for students to access a wide range of information, including educational resources, online courses, and e-books. Students can now learn at their own pace and schedule, and attend classes from anywhere in the world. Now, let us discuss the negative impacts of the internet. So, privacy and security. We have here the risk of identity theft. Identity theft when someone uses another person's information for financial gain. For instance, an ID theft may use your bank account or credit card to steal money or make purchases. Another is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying, it can take place on social media, messaging platforms, gaming platforms, and mobile phones. Next is the social isolation. Spending too much time on the internet can lead to less time spent communicating with others. For example, heavy internet users may spend less time talking to friends and family on the phone or physically with them. Another negative impact is the job market. The internet has created a new opportunities. The IT revolution had dramatic effects on jobs and the job market. Many routine manual and cognitive tasks have been automated, so workers face increasing pressure to constantly update their skills to remain competitive in an increasing digital economy.